Welcome back. Today we're going to drop test some kermantle ropes. Stay tuned. Specifically, we'll be testing some paracord. Yes, paracord is a kermantle rope. It has an outer sheath and an inner core. So if you watch my channel at all, you know that my saddles tend to be made out of paracord, and I pair them with a safety harness. Most of my saddles have 16 strands under the seat and 8 across the back for a total of 24. But this test is going to be done on 16, and I can't test the whole 300 pounds. What I was told was that a 300-pound man dropping 8 or 3 feet put 8 kilonewtons on this system. So I can scale that down and I can test a single strand of paracord. And since I have 16, I divided 300 by 16, I get 18.75. So the setup here is one of my older saddles, 2-panel saddle. We're not testing the saddle, we're testing this single strand of paracord here. The saddle's just going to hold the weight. I have these sandbags. I weighed the saddle and the carabiner. Weighs 1 pound. Each one of these sandbags weighs 9 pounds. As measured by our handy calibrated fish scale here. So 2 bags is going to go 18 pounds and another pound for the saddle. That puts us a little over that 18.75 pounds. And what I'm going to do is I have to measure 3 feet. So I measured from the top of this carabiner just under this knot up here. It's 36 inches. So that'll be our drop. I'm going to start with 2 bags, and we'll add a bag every time until either we don't have any room in the saddle to hold the bags or the paracord breaks. The prevailing wisdom is that military Type 3 C 5040H paracord is as fragile as gossamer wings. Let's find out. First drop, 19 pounds. Interesting. I'm going to add a bag. Put us at 27, thereabouts. 27 pounds. More interesting. 4 bags plus the weight of the saddle. 37 pounds. Stand by. That survived the initial shock. I'm going to set them back in there a little better and add another bag. Before I do this drop, I'm going to take a look at the paracord here, and it doesn't seem it's been damaged at all yet. Now we have 5 bags. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 9 pounds apiece, and 1 pound for the saddle and carabiner. We'll raise that up 3 feet, give it a drop. So now we know. So what did that work out to? Real quick, we'll look at this. Did not break in the knot. So I found a drop force calculator, and I got the numbers here. So on our 37 pound drop is a 1.888 kilonewtons. That's a 2 fall factor. I'm not sure what they mean by that, but if I multiply the 1.888 times the 16, the number of strands in my saddle, that gives me a 30.208 kilonewton. When I went to 46 pounds and it broke, we had a still a fall factor of 2, 2.347 kilonewtons, and multiplied by 16 is 37.552. I submit to you that this 30.208 kilonewtons exceeds the strength of my HTP static line and my carabiners. Thanks for stopping by.